For the next couple of minutes, we're going to take a look at a sentiment analysis study in WebChartAI. Sentiment analysis is a classification technique growing in popularity, primarily because of its ability to help interpret a target audience's attitudes, emotions, and opinions pretty accurately. In this particular study that I've highlighted on screen, the client is a fast food chain that wants to monitor sentiment related to a change they've recently made to a menu item. So the client has uploaded a large number of customer responses from their social media monitoring sources, which we've loaded into our fictitious account to annotate. In my details screen to the right, you can see the project's name and description, and in the bottom right-hand corner, I've added my instructions, which will display in the annotation workflow, and I've got a prompt that I've associated to the project. Let's click into the prompts area to see how that prompt was set up. First, I'll click into my prompts area, and then I'll click on that particular prompt. We've set this project up as a fine-grained sentiment analysis with 5 prompt options for annotators. So with that background on the setup of the project, let's log in as an annotator to see what the project looks like. So here I am at the login screen, and I'll log in as one of our annotators. The annotation tool opens, the instruction pane is accessible in the top left corner and can be expanded for easier view. Job information appears bottom left. My prompt appears in bold, centered across the top, and that's the prompt that the annotator is responding to. Please rate the reviewer's opinion of Hometown Foods as French fries. And in the instructions, there's information about the annotator specifically targeting any references to that food item and not base the sentiment study on other information that the reviewer is providing. So let's do just that. Let's look for references to the fries. I do see a reference here. Doesn't sound too good. I'll give that a very negative. In this case, the reference is very generic, and I think in this case I'll mark it as a neutral. Well, there's a quick look at what a sentiment analysis study looks like on WebChartAI.